Hey guys, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today's video is somewhat of a very special video for me. I know a lot of you who have been on my lives, who have been on the Q&A sessions, who have been in my chair, who've even commented or emailed me, have always asked, what can you do when your hair is shedding? What can you do when your hair is very weak? Maybe you wear a lot of protective styles. Maybe you're just now trying to get your hair back in order. It is just all over the place. It's damaged. And the first thing you guys always hear me say is, you definitely need to see a stylist. You probably need to get a protein or reconstruction treatment. So, you ready? With that being said, I want to introduce you guys to my new Elite Super Reconstruction System. This is a protein-based system. It is going to allow you to help tame the damage, stop the shedding, fix that broken follicle, fix that damaged hair, all in the comfort of your own home. So this is a two-part system. So for today's video, you're gonna see me do it from start to finish, where I'm going to shampoo my hair. I am going to do the reconstruction system. You guys are going to come along with me for the journey and see exactly how it works. Now, the line itself does not release until February the 1st, but you guys are gonna definitely be able to take better care of your hair at home. And I wanted it to be a system that was dedicated to every one of my goddesses out there. No more me saying, go ahead and seek a stylist, go ahead and seek a stylist. Because I've been noticing that at least 60% of all of my clients, whether it be YouTube or in my chair, has been telling me that they're not comfortable going to the salon. So you've said it, I've listened, and I'm here to give you what you need. So you guys, sit back, relax, pick your pens and papers, get all that up, because I'm about to... Okay guys, so for the shampoo process, I am using warm water. So how reconstruction and protein works is you basically start by cleansing the hair first. So I'm using our Herbal Detox shampoo, which is an amazing cleanser that does not strip the hair of its natural oils. This is an organic charcoal shampoo. And I like to use it for my first shampoo just to get the hair clean. Okay, you want to make sure that you use a cleansing shampoo to clean the hair, and then you will use your treatment shampoo to treat the hair. So for my shampoo, which is my treatment shampoo, I'm using the Moisture ELT shampoo system. Well, I won't say system. I'm just using the shampoo itself, because you want to start with moisture. You want to moisturize the hair even during the shampoo phase. Okay, you're still using your warm water. And then you will use your protein / reconstructor. The reason why you want to hydrate the hair first is because protein has the tendency to dry the hair out. Now, our reconstruction system is a two-part system. So we start with the actual reconstructor. This would serve as the conditioning treatment, guys. So I put the reconstructor on. I am going to ensure that I do not use a detangling comb or any comb whatsoever, and you will go under the dryer for 15 minutes without a processing cap. Once you have completed the dryer, you are going to still use warm water or lukewarm water to rinse out the protein / reconstructor, and you want to make sure that you thoroughly rinse the hair and get that protein out. Okay, the hair will feel slightly rough at this point, and this is when you will use part 2 of our reconstruction system, which is the hydrating conditioner. And we also call this a replenisher. This is going to rehydrate the hair and soften the hair up, and it will stay on for 5 minutes. Okay, I did not go under the dryer. I just put it on for 5 minutes, and I used the processing cap. This is when you are going to use your cold water. Cold water is very important at this phase, because this is the final rinse of our wash day. Okay, so you want to make sure that you rinse the hair thoroughly. You also want to make sure that that water is nice and cold to close the cuticle. And I was just kind of tugging on the hair just to make sure that it was not shedding. So now it's time for the styling phase. This is where I spray my leave-in conditioner, and I was looking at my comb, you guys, just telling you I'm not one drop of hair. And I did spray on our hydration and strength leave-in mist before I applied our Elite Silk Wrap Foam. So I am at the styling portion of the service, guys. My hair feels absolutely amazing. Yes, it is shiny. It feels strong. That's the purpose. It feels strong. So I know that I am ready for another week and another day of nothing but spritz on my hair for me to go back and do the process again. Oh gosh. Okay. So under the dryer, 45 minutes, and now it's time to style my hair. So I want you guys to take note of the nice and fluffy hair that I have here. Even though I did not do a fresh relaxer, my hair is laid, it is shiny, it is ready. That protein just did its job, y'all. Ew, ew. But yes, guys, this is when you would do your styling phase. If you don't have a shortcut, of course, you're just going to go forward with whatever styling choice you make. For me, of course, it's going to be my short hair, so I'm going to allow you to sit back and finish watching the style. Oh, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, guys. Don't forget, thumbs up this video. Comment in the comment section if you are excited or as excited as I am for this elite super reconstruction system, because you are now able to take good care of your hair at home. I have listened to you guys and I'm giving you exactly what you asked for, a way to treat shedding and breakage and damaged hair in the comfort of your own home. Ow, I should do my ow. Yeah, definitely give me an ow sign. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And don't forget, like I said, subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up button and comment down below what you think. I'll see you guys later.